Baron, I was gonna tell you earlier.
I just found out from my sister. Mom is smoking a hot date. Do you know how humiliating that was? From my sister, I am now granted the village idiot.
You're not an idiot. You just have some form of autism.
Autism? Is that an interesting way of saying something's wrong with me?
Yes. No, I mean, maybe?
It means something's wrong with me.
I just wanted to see if the rumors were true.
Rumors?
The most important thing is I finally found you, and now we can be a family.
What rumors?
I'm going to help you to be a better person.
What rumors?
Don't you yell at me.
What rumors?
A skirt chaser. That's his freaking nature. You don't even pay your taxes. You're so obsessed with yourself. It's sickening. Worst of all, you hate children. Explain that one.
Who snitches?
They're all lovely ladies, especially Abigail. A big heart.
Snitches deserves to die.
No, I can't handle you right now. I'm gonna go get your father. Maybe he can chew your head off. Don't forget, comment down below. Oh, comment. What are you doing here? I thought you were around the mountain. I can't understand half of what you say. Well, what are you talking about? I'm clear as rain.